What if everything we thought we knew about the beginning of the universe is wrong? The James Webb Space Telescope, the most advanced observatory ever launched into space, is sending back images and data that are not just beautiful, they're deeply unsettling to scientists. Among its many discoveries are enormous, ancient galaxies that seem to have formed just a few 100 million years after the supposed birth of the universe. These galaxies are far too massive and evolved for that early time period, growing faster and earlier than the standard Big Bang model would allow. They've earned the nickname universe breakers for good reason. They simply don't fit within the existing timeline of cosmic evolution. One particularly strange find is the galaxy Jades-GS-Z11. It's not just incredibly ancient, formed when the universe was barely 400 million years old, but it also emitted intense ultraviolet radiation. This light somehow managed to break through the thick fog of the early universe, long before scientists believed it was possible. According to our current understanding, the early universe was a dark, dense soup of particles that blocked light for hundreds of millions of years. So how did this galaxy punch through the fog so early? The discovery forces us to ask whether we really understand how the universe transitioned from darkness to light. And that's not the only mystery James Webb has deepened. There's also the issue of the universe's expansion rate. Depending on how scientists measure it, whether they look at nearby, supernova, or ancient cosmic background radiation, they get different results. This conflict is known as the Hubble tension, and it's not just a small discrepancy. It's a persistent, growing gap that makes physicists question whether our model of the universe is missing something big. Webb's high-precision data has only made this tension more obvious. Some researchers are now suggesting that what we're seeing could be signs of interactions with other universes, or even evidence that our universe isn't alone. This brings us to a bold and fascinating idea: the cyclic universe. Nobel Prize-winning physicist Sir Roger Penrose has proposed a theory that suggests the universe didn't begin with a single Big Bang. Instead, it is one of many. In his model, the universe goes through endless cycles. Each cycle, or eon, ends in a slow, cold death where all matter decays. Black holes evaporate, and the universe becomes smooth and empty. But instead of staying that way, this emptiness becomes the seed for a new Big Bang, launching a brand new universe. And the cycle repeats forever. Even more astonishing is that Penrose believes he's found physical evidence to support this idea. He points to strange circular patterns in the cosmic microwave background, the afterglow of the early universe. These patterns, which he calls Hawking points, might be leftover signals from black holes that existed in a previous universe. If true, they would be the first observable traces of a cosmos that came before our own. Imagine it. Our universe could be the descendant of another ancient realm that lived, evolved, and died billions of years ago. The implications of all this are staggering. If Penrose is right, then the Big Bang wasn't the beginning of everything, it was just the beginning of our current cycle. And it means there could be an infinite chain of universes stretching back into eternity. Every time one universe ends, another begins. The cosmos isn't a straight line with a beginning and an end, it's a loop, an eternal dance of creation and collapse. The James Webb Telescope, by peering deeper into space and further back in time than any instrument before it, may be giving us the first real clues that this could be true. Its discoveries don't just challenge old theories, they're opening the door to entirely new ways of thinking about existence. From galaxy formation to universal expansion, from cosmic radiation to multiverse possibilities, we may be on the verge of a scientific revolution that changes our understanding of where we came from, where we're headed. So, what do you think? Are we living in a universe that was born from the ashes of a previous one? Could we be part of an infinite cycle of cosmic rebirths? Or is there another explanation waiting to be uncovered? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a dive into the mysteries of the universe. Because here, we're not just watching space, we're trying to understand our place in it.